Hey everybody, this is Alex, and I'm going to be examining the monster behavior in the original Doom game. Monsters in the Doom engine games have a primitive artificial intelligence that follows a set of behavior rules that apply to all monsters unless told otherwise. Movement. Monsters can move in any cardinal or ordinal direction and generally try to close in on their target by the shortest route. If the route is blocked, it randomly picks another direction for a short while, finding the next best route to the target. A monster does not need to have a line of sight to follow its target, and will attempt to close in on its position in the level. If a monster with no melee hits the target, it will move away as it does when hitting an obstacle. If the enemy has no target, it will not move at all. Choosing a target. The monster chooses one target at a time. Its initial target is usually the player who awakened it from its dormant state by making an attack they can hear or harming them. If the initial target was another monster, they return to the dormant state after killing the targeted monster. After a monster awakens from the dormant state and is hit, a target countdown timer is activated. The longer the monster walks around with the same target, the lower the countdown gets. As long as it remains positive, it will not change target even if hit by the player or other monsters. It will only choose a new target when the countdown reaches 0, then you're hit by the player or a new monster. This system does not apply to the Arc Vial, which changes its target immediately to the player or monster that hurt it. Monsters will only choose another monster as their target if it accidentally hits them with an attack. Arc Vials can never be the target of another monster, nor can Pain Elementals, as the lost souls they launch are targeted instead. Ranged attacks. The further a monster is from its target, the more it will use its ranged attack if it has one, and the closer, the less. So when the monster is in close proximity of its target, it will try to get to the target faster to be able to hit it with a melee attack. This does not apply to non-melee monsters like zombie men. They will continue to use ranged attacks at close range. After attacking, the monster will make at least one move before attacking again, making the monster shoot as long as its target stays in sight, unless it flinches after being hit by the player or another enemy. Thank you everybody for watching my breakdown of the Doom monster behaviors.